everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to delete a contact on Viber, tap Open Viber application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your Viber and select a contact from your chat screen that you'd like to delete. Once you do that, from the chat screen, tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will bring up a pop-up. Tap on Chat Info. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Select Delete from the pop-up. Now, in the pop-up, it'll ask you if you are sure you'd like to delete the particular contact. Remember that deleting the contact from Viber will also delete it from your device's contact list. Tap on Delete to do so, and you'll be able to delete a contact from Viber. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.